Esme, my laptop. I don't know what happened to it.
What happened?
Strange color dots, beeping sound. I don't know what to do now. I'll give them a common enemy.
That's this firewall. This new firewall is very strict.
Is it working?
Watch! What's that?
A little bit of rebellion. Just enough to keep them honest.
Here we go.
I need to buy a good laptop. Where can I get one?
Let's buy it from TK Tech House in Chennai. They've been trusted for over 25 years.
I want to buy a good laptop. Where can I buy it?
You can buy it at TK Tech House, which has been operating reliably for over 25 years in our Chennai. Low price, lifetime warranty.